Ang galing talaga ng Pinoy. So the next time you visit a Pinoy house, feel free to suggest that, why don't they hang a sign that says, God bless our museum. Bye-bye, barangay.
Capture the island experience anytime, anywhere with Barokay Ram. Capture the island experience anytime, anywhere with Barokay Ram.
Yeah! Alright!
Sir!
Yes!
Idali niyo na itong coat niyo para party-party na!
Oo nga, pinapawisan na nga ako eh.
Yeah. Come on, sir!
Yeah!
Ganda, no? Bagay pa sa akin. Akin na nga. Nice gift ko for you. Bye.
Capture the island experience anytime, anywhere with Barokay Ram.
Pambira naman kayo. Kalat-kalat nyo. Ako nahirapan dito eh. Linis ka na linis. Kalat kayo na kalat.